Right now, we're gonna watch this build of this roof rack, the CVT tent. Then I take this bitch off-roading and really test her out.
Good branch.
Oh, Air Force.
Navy.
Hey, nice. Right on, brother. Right on.
You're cool, man.
They're my neighbors, man. They all want to talk to me.
Yeah, the 4Runner. I see you.
This frack was not easy to put on with one person, but I did get it on. Make sure before you put Loctite on it, you put it on there last.
I'm gonna crack in my radiator, bro. Alright, so AutoZone has a radiator.
Luckily, they had the part. The computer wasn't lying. I took apart everything, put the new radiator in, put everything back together, washed it all. That is the correct way to pour, and that's with that and oil. Bothered my neighbor to put that on.
We're heading up to Todd Lake in Oregon. So it's about an hour away from my house. Nothing crazy. Hey, look at that. Hands free. It's like got a Tesla. Oh, my Tesla's failing. No, she's not. Oh, yep. Oh, shit, there she goes.
Making her way to Broken Top.
Look at my damn dog. Alright, let's test this bad boy out. Roughing it through. Tuck fin and Apocalypse Now style to the damn trails. Let's test this bad boy out. So far, man, it looks pretty good. And so I put Loctite on all of it. I did drill through, but I did it to this because these are like $12. You can get them for like $12 online. Hey, Cusco. Dude, you are a good cameraman, man.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna lie. I love doing film and stuff. So.
It's so fun, isn't it?
Yeah, 100%.
It's so fun.
It's been like the bane of my existence. Like when I was younger, I wanted to be the one on camera, and I had the idea for the videos and everything. And I'd be like, "Hey, buddy, can you film this for me?" And they'd be like, "Yeah, sure, man. I'd love to make a video." And the whole time I'm doing my thing, and they're like filming some ant on the ground, you know. Like, but hey, I did try to get to this side so we could at least have like the remaining light, you know, hitting you instead of you being a big shadow. So no, I'll be more proud, or I'll be proud of it at all once I don't see the 300 Band-Aids. It's like. It's like when you draw a picture, like anytime I used to do tons of art, I used to love to draw, right? Mm-hmm. The whole time I'd be like, oh, this is what I want to do. God damn it. And you know, I'm like hiding mistakes the whole time. And at the end of it, I would look at it and be like, total shit. You know, because I see all the mistakes and I'm like, but somebody else looks at it and they don't know how it got there. They're just like, that's dope. You know, so I love that people love it. I love it. It just drives me nuts because it should have been and can be so much better. I shouldn't have started building it yet. I should have saved my money and waited till I had other priorities set up. So I sunk all my money into that. The money ran out, and then I couldn't. And then all of a sudden I had to move, and I'm like, my whole truck's torn apart. Work truck blew up, and now I'm like,
well, you have to pay
this down here.
You don't have to pay for a woman anymore, man. So that's gonna save you a ton of money, hopefully. Hey, is that a free hat? This is why we have lipods. Here's our spot. Well, spank you.
Alright, it was super dark, guys, and so I actually couldn't really
Let's get camp ready.
chilling, hanging out, and there was no fire anyways, so we pretty much got there. The dogs run around.
Good boy, D. I know it kind of cut short last night because it was too dark to film. I'm kind of on fire. So, man, I'll tell you what, I had the toughest time sleeping last night. Not because of the tent. Because I felt, there's no sound. There's zero sound. Zero. Not a single animal. I just felt claustrophobic. It's weird. Here it is, guys. First night in the stinking CVT. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, man. Cusco. Already went to the bathroom. Cusco. Hey. What's up, bud? Nothing like a cup of Folgers to start the day.
Dude, there's no sound last night, man.
What's up?
There's no sound. Like, birds or animals or...
Oh yeah, it's quiet.
Yeah, dude, it freaked me out. I ended up going sleeping in my cab for a little bit, and my dog, and then...
Who's that? Go! Hello! Look at that dog. Yeah. Ow!
That sounded crazy.
Yeah.
Ow! Good boy. Hey! Get down, Cusco! I got that on video, man. Come on, dog.
So yeah, in the end, the roof rack held up excellent, great quality, and the CVT tent also excellent quality, held up great, Loctite brand name, held up excellent. Yeah, guys, thanks for sticking around in the end too, literally, at like 2%, and I really appreciate it. This is a pretty cool inning too.